If you want to be successful, never ever do this. The 3 lessons that I've learned as an entrepreneur for more than 20 years and as a mother of 2 beautiful children. The first one, never overthink. This will stop you from taking action. The second is don't let fear hold you back. We all experience fear. Successful people don't let fear control them. They overcome it. And the third one, never give up. Sometimes people give up just before they found success. Follow your heart. Follow your inner voice. Because that's where your knowledge is, and your success is always one decision away. Remember, you don't learn reading books or watching videos. We learn through experience, and mastery takes time. So if you want to be successful, join our community. Our community is growing every day, and we have more than 8,000 people supporting each other. We don't earn money from each other. This is not MLM. This is just people that want to support each other and grow together. This is amazing. So if you want to know more, just drop yes in the comments, and I will send you more information for you to take a look. Life is beautiful if we decide to follow your heart and follow your dreams.